Welcome to the fascinating world of modern manufacturing. You'll be truly amazed by the precision with which craftsmen cut metal into perfect pieces. It's incredible. It's just magical. And then, that thing with wet cement turning into square bricks, as if it came out of a mold. With all this smart technology, the wheel sticks to the rim without needing to force it. It's awesome. Have you seen how it comes to life under the machine? Each line, each grain, it's as if it's breathing. It's magnificent. And this machine, it transforms the most stubborn materials into small pebbles in the blink of an eye. It's crazy. This machine is as tough as nails, that's for sure. And these delicious cakes baked in gravel. It's so funny, and at the same time they look super good. A single machine is enough to build a straight fence right in the middle of a field. Isn't that great? Assembling each car part with absolute precision, it's pro-level work. And this wood carving machine, it makes simple or complicated patterns, but always quickly, beautifully, and precisely. It's perfect. And then, cutting through metal as if it were paper, it's just impressive. Oh my gosh, it's just magical. Cooking with, it's always a pleasure. It's ideal for creating the particle size you love so much, and plus, it's perfect for busy people. You can even get a manicure on the go. Discovering the process of making rolled steel, it's fascinating. And how they make brad nails from sheet metal, it's really interesting. The peeler really shows how bamboo products are processed. It's so cool. And then, wow, they're casting sheet metal into metal tubes. It's impressive. Exploring the production process of steel coils, it's captivating. And this tube folding process, with good tools and machines, it makes the job so much easier. Oh Oh no, the F-16 engine compressor lost its mast during operation. That's bad luck. The foam box sealing machine is super popular with its automatic positioning. Compact and fast wrapping, it perfectly protects the tubes in seconds. The metal pressing plant transforms molten material into products in no time. This machine is the end of everything outdated. The hydraulic rotating cutting head turns the excavator into a powerful art material crushing machine. It's amazing. No shaking hands, no deviation. The robot cuts wood as if it were paper. It's perfect. The straight iron bar goes in and comes out in regular curves like ocean waves. It's beautiful. Feeling stressed? Crush a few soda cans and you'll feel better, for sure. This press ensures the pitchfork is absolutely perfect every time. It's great. The lathe removes imperfections, leaving behind a smooth metal surface. It's satisfying. Faster than ever with this machine. It's incredible. The perfect machine to fill a tube with candies. It's so cute. Now you can use a drone to advertise. It's modern. Without this machine, pounding would be twice as hard, that's for sure. Made in China, the manufacturing process of it's impressive. Hot stamping of aluminum for mass production, it's fascinating. Amazing, this cutting strip easily cuts through multiple steel bars with impressive precision. Each slice is precise, it's perfect. The secret is in the table, the perfect place for drinks and snacks. It's so practical. Cooking with, it's always a pleasure. All the inventions that follow don't need much commentary. You'll simply love them. It's incredible. Let's go. Thank you for joining us here on BreakTech for this fascinating exploration of manufacturing marvels. If you enjoyed discovering these incredible processes with us, don't forget to subscribe to BreakTech for more amazing content about precision engineering, cutting-edge technology, and the fascinating world of manufacturing. Keep wondering, keep discovering, and never stop being amazed by the incredible world of precision engineering all around us.